Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Windows color theme. It's a very easy and customizable way to just make Windows look more like you. So, first, it's very easy actually. First, you gotta go to here in search and find themes and go for color right here and just change it to whatever color you want. Like you can go with darker tones or um, whatever whatever is your preference. You can actually pick a color even right here if you don't want white or um, or just dark or black. So you can actually pick any color you want, like this. You can see right here when you hover, and this icon shows a screen. If you change it to blue, you can see it turns blue. So maybe you should change it to red. Right here you have it red, and this is it, guys. Um, you can see right now when you're into configuration, um, all of the hyperlinks are in the color you choose. So this is a great actually combination of colors. I might actually just um, leave it just like this. So let me know in the comments if you like the video and subscribe for more of these useful tips.